dignitaries on the dais, our keynote speaker, Honorable ex-Minister Kumbi and all other distinguished resource persons, and respected principals of two colleges, and all the learned friends sitting in front of me. In fact, it's a very pleasant moment for me because I'm here to meet all the distinguished resource persons for this 2 days workshop. In fact, I'm so thankful to Dr. Krishnakant for delivering such a beautiful keynote speech. All great points and important issues he has already highlighted, and if we have adopted whatever he has mentioned in the keynote speech, our things will be much easier. Now, I was looking and listening to his speech and slides very well, because we are also in the process of accreditation of our university, and the NAAC team has already communicated for their visit within this few months' time. And we are gearing up very fast in the university for that purpose. And in the meantime, we have also planned a series of discussion among the faculty friends and officers in the administration for getting all the things done in the very right direction. So far, Manipur University's scoring is only 3.02 score in the NAAC accreditation, and it is A-graded. So in this shape, in this coming year, we are expecting to move it at least beyond 3.26. Otherwise, the flexibility of the university in terms of funding, research, and in all other areas, we are going to face a huge problem. And when we try to handhold
on the 2 days workshop on the themes, NAAC assessment and accreditation and overview, jointly hosted by Kumbi College and Mangolnganbi College, Ningthoukhong, being organized by Aggarwal College, Ballabgarh, Haryana. Firstly, I thank Professor W. Shan Singh, Registrar Manipur University, Chief Guest of the function, for sparing his valuable time to grace the function and giving inaugural address on the president. Next, I extend thanks to Sri N. Mangi Singh, ex-Minister Manipur, and Sri R.K. Birji Singh, Principal Mangolnganbi College, Ningthoukhong, for their gracious presence as guest of honor and in the functions. I also thank L. Gopan Singh, co-editor of IQAC, Kumbi College, and also the organized secretary of the ongoing function for his painstaking effort to make the workshop a success. Further, I render my thanksgiving words to Dr. Manoj Sukaji, co-ordinator, PARAMARSH, Aggarwal College, Ballabgarh, for his active participation and giving highlights on the theme of the workshops. Next, I pay homage and thanks to Dr. Krishnakant, Principal, Aggarwal College, Ballabgarh, giving keynote address on the workshop, thereby enlightening us about the workshop. I also extend thanks to Dr. Naresh Kamara Ji, Aggarwal College, and to Sri Vinit Nagpal Ji, IT expert, Aggarwal College, Ballabgarh, and to Dr. S.K. Chakrabarti Ji, Accreditation Ambassador, PARAMARSH, for their valuable presence and participation in the inaugural function of the 2 days workshop. And I also
thank the workshop is to make the participant understand nature, purpose and objective of accreditation accreditation methodology. To demonstrate example of possible good practices to the session, we ensure that participants get opportunity to discuss and get curious with the resource person.
Desire, basically what you require. Okay, before I go ahead, I would also like to say, it is better, it is required now, not mandatory, that every student must know what are POs, what are COs. They are